Good morning. Today we're about to finish up an install that we started a few weeks ago with our Fujitsu 45,000 BTU unit, multi-zone unit. You can do up to 5 heads off this unit. This particular unit we did 4 for the time being. With that we did the max capacity for this unit. And we're getting about to evacuate the system, put it into a vacuum, and do our startup. The numbers that you're looking at right now are associated with the indoor heads, the lengths of line set that we have. With that, it gives us and the future techs that come out here to know how much refrigerant is needed to add if we ever had an issue or whatnot. This unit's good up to 164 feet. We're at 195, so we will have to add charge at the time of startup. But right now we're about to perform our vacuum, getting ready to start up. We have our app open, and we're gonna proceed to evacuate right now. Our magic number would be anything under 500 microns would be ideal. Lower the better. But we're gonna get there. So we'll take a brief walk around, kind of give you a look of how the system looks. As far as this is kind of a remod addition job. So you can see all the line sets running through. We're on the garage side of the house. We have line sets running through the cavity of the wall, running up and across, and we have one head located in the garage area, which we're not finished with, but we will complete that as of our startup today. And we have a slim duct unit that takes care of a mudroom and a half bath. All rigid ductwork. This particular unit is a 7,000 BTU unit. Have a cassette duct. And another slim duct unit.